Welcome to the One Strong Southern Girl YouTube channel, a channel exclusively for women who exercise at home. We help simplify home exercise for you by breaking down all the best programs, products, and services that are already on the market so that you can easily envision how to use them and know which ones are a good fit for you. The fact is, a regular workout routine should not feel overwhelming or like a chore. When done right and created around your unique life, a regular exercise routine will make you fit on the outside and the inside. This channel is for all levels of home exercisers, from the beginner who's just getting back to an exercise routine to the advanced home exerciser who works out consistently. We've been testing out home workout programs and products since 2016 and exercising at home for over 20 years. Our goal is to help you find the right tools for you so that you're excited to use them. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.